Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to clear your Safari search history on your iPhone. First things first, let's open up our Safari web browser. Then, look down in the bottom right corner for the tabs icon. Tap it. Now, it's time to declutter. Go through and close all those Safari tabs that you don't absolutely need. Once you've gotten rid of the unnecessary ones, hit done. Alright, we can now close out of Safari. Now for the real deal, clearing the search history. Head over to your iPhone settings app. Scroll down until you find Safari. Give that a tap. Okay, another little scroll needed. Look for the option that says, Clear History and Web Data. Click on that. Here you'll see some options. First, you can choose a time frame to clear, the last hour, today and yesterday, or go all in and clear all history. You'll also see an option to close all your web tabs. We already manually closed the ones we didn't need, but if you just want to wipe them all out, toggle that option on. When you're ready, hit that big red Clear History button. Just a heads up, this is permanent. Once it's gone, so make sure you're okay with that. And that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone.